Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get a job on this website. Okay, if you're actually looking for an online job or a job you can do offline, I'm going to show you how you can get a job for yourself on this website, any kind of job you actually want, okay, from any part of the world. Okay, so this website actually works worldwide. Okay, it's not just Nigeria. Okay, so right here you can just come on this website. You can see the name of the website right here is ng.jobo.org. Okay, so to get a job on this website is actually easy, but trust me, you don't want to click off this video, so just stick to me, watch the process. I'm going to show you how to search for your job and how to apply for any job you want to apply for, how much they're going to be paying you, any job from any location you want. Okay, so make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Okay, so don't skip any part of this video. If you're new on my channel, I would say you should hit on that subscribe button. Okay, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos like this on this channel, you get to be notified by YouTube, and then you can just watch and implement wherever I teach. Okay, and if you're a returning subscriber, I will say you're welcome once again to my channel. Thank you for watching my video already. Okay, so right now I'm just going to go straight to this video. I don't want to take much time. Okay, so right here you can see the name of the website is ng.jobo.com. So this is a website where you can search for any type of work in any area you're living, any part of the world you're living. Okay, so let's just check right here. You can see this platform actually works worldwide. It's not only Nigeria. So if you want to just change your country, what you just want to do is to click on that option showing Nigeria. You're gonna see a whole lot of countries right here. You can see list of country that you can get a job from while you are using this website. Okay, there are lots of country where you can get jobs from, so you can see the list of countries on this. So whenever you want to search for job, make sure you leave it at any country you want to search for job. Okay, so I'll just go back and then leave it in Nigeria. So I'll just search for available jobs around a particular area, and you guys are gonna see how to use this website. Okay, it's actually easy. So let's say I want to search for a job around Lagos. Let's say I want to search for accountant jobs around Lagos. Okay, so you can see it right here. You can see management accountant. They have over 4,400 jobs available. Okay, so let me just search for it. Let me click on find, and then you see list of jobs that are available. Okay, so right here you can see it's showing 791 vacancies. Okay, you can see it right here. But if you want to okay, you can see there we have up to 700 vacancies available. Okay, so you can click on this filter to select the distance, the location, the particular amount, the time you want to be working, the days, the salary you want to be earning. Okay, so right here you can see this is for time. Right here you can see this is for time, this is for location or distance. Okay, well, this right here is for salary. Okay, so you can see I left it at any, so that is why it is very much. Okay, so right here you can select in between, you can select the range of salary for the job you want to apply for. Okay, so right here you can see experience. You can see the ones that have option of any experience. This one internship already, or this one is showing you option for temporal. You can see full time, you can see part time. Okay, so anyone you want to select is going to just apply for the search you've made already. Okay, so let's just scroll down and then see the types of jobs, the accountant jobs that are available in Lagos. Okay, so you can actually change the location. Trust me, you can change this from Lagos to any state in Nigeria. Okay, so this is for Lagos. Let's say in Abuja right now. Let's see how many vacancies are available. Okay, so in Abuja you can see it is just 205. You can see it right here. You can see just 205 vacancies are available. Okay, so let's check another state. Let's check Port Harcourt, Rivers State. Let's see Rivers State. Okay, so let's see how many. You can see just 23. Okay, this is actually Port Harcourt, Rivers State, not the whole Rivers State. So let me change it to the whole Rivers State right now. Okay, so Rivers State. Let's see the okay, so right here you can see it is 74. Okay, so this is how it works. You can just select the job, any job you want. Okay, let me search for another job. Let me search for bank manager. Let me see. Okay, let me search for bank manager and see. Okay, here they have 147 vacancies. Okay, that is in Rivers State. Okay, so let me search for Lagos State right now and see how many vacancies are available. Okay, so right here you can see there are 2082 vacancies available for the post of bank manager. Okay, for the post of bank manager in Lagos State, you can see right here there are 2082 vacancies. Okay, so to check the credentials or the to check what they actually need for each job you want to apply for, you're just going to scroll and then see the kind of jobs that are available. You just click on it and then you get more information about the job, to get where the location of the company you want to apply for or stuff like that. You're just going to click on it. So let me just select one of these. Let me say I want to apply for this credit evolution manager at Instablink IBTC Bank. So let me just click on it and then see the requirements. Okay, so right here you can see this is a little bit information they provide about the job. So right here you can see job description: to provide effective value adding risk management to assist business banking teams of the business banking space is achieving their assets growth target. Okay, so let me still scroll down and then see. Okay, right here they are giving you, I think this is an example of the application you're gonna. Okay, let me go through it very well. Okay, it's actually the job requirement. Okay, so you can see it right here. Please read before applying. You can see it right here. So you have to just go through all this information so you can know what you're gonna be applying for. Okay, so this is the job title right here. You can see the job title, you can see the location, you can see what they want is a full-time job. Okay, so you're just gonna take your time and then go through it. Okay, let's see, check the qualifications. So right here they want first degree. Okay, they want first degree right here. You can see it, first degree. Manager's degree would be an added advantage. You can see this one right here: professional qualifications such as ACAN, ACC, CIBN, and all that. Okay, so you can see what they are requiring for. So right here they're talking about experience. You can see this one right here is talking about minimum 7 years of experience. Okay, 5 of which must be in a credit related role. You can see right here, you can see credit evaluation experience. Here you can see behavioral competence. So what they want from you, you just have to just read through it, and then after reading through it, they can show you method of application. Okay, you can see right here, interested and qualified candidates should go to newbalance.com for application. You can see where they are showing you that you should apply. So once you click on this link right now, it's gonna direct you to another page where you can submit your CV and other credentials you need to apply for the job. Okay, so this is just how the platform works. Okay, you can actually search for little jobs as well. You can, okay, let me say I want to search for a job or a vacancy for waiter. Okay, I don't think okay, hotel waiter. Yeah, let me search for hotel waiter in Lagos. Okay, so you can see there are 103 vacancies available. This doesn't mean that this is the only vacancy available in the whole Lagos. No, this is what is available on the platform. Okay, so right here you can just scroll down and then check the companies that are looking for waiters and waitresses. You can see this is hotel job in 𝐃𝐎𝐍'𝐓. You can see right here. Okay, let me just click on this. There are some of the jobs are going to show you how much you're going to be earning per month. Okay, so this one is showing 30 to 40,000 naira per month. Okay, so let's see the requirements. Okay, so right here you can see waiter or waitress in hotel at Lekki Ajah. Requirements: skills, CV, and minimum experience 1 year. Responsibilities: waiter and waitress job in the hotel to attend customers and give them good services. Minimum qualification requirement O level. So if you want to apply, you just click on this link showing go to gg.ng. It is as simple as that. Okay, so once you just apply and you submit your CV and every other thing you need to do, you're just going to wait and then expect to receive a call or an email from the company you applied for. Okay, so it is as simple as that. You can apply for work in any state or any country, okay, provided you know what you want. You can apply for any job. If it's available, they're going to tell you it's available, and if it's not available, they're still going to tell you that it is not available. Okay, so guys, if you're finding value in this video, I would say you should hit that like button. Okay, hit the like button, and go on the comment section, comment something that's gonna keep me moving, something that's gonna keep me motivated, that's gonna make me look for more research on how you guys can make money online. Okay, so let me just look for online job. Let's see if there is any online job available right here. Let me see online job. Okay guys, I'm just going to click on find right now. So let's see if there are online jobs that are available. Okay, so let's see. This is actually in Lagos. You can change it. Okay, so the result is out and we have about 318 vacancies right here for online jobs. So let's scroll down and then see the types of online jobs that are available. Okay, so you can see right here, this is digital slash online sales associate. Okay, so this is a job that is available, a job that you can do online. So this is another one right here: online reading and comprehensive, okay, and comprehension in English tutor needed in Lagos. Okay, I don't think this is actually an online job, so let me click on it and see. Okay, so right here, wow, it's actually an online job. Okay, so you're just gonna apply here. Yeah, it's an online job. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, you're just gonna apply, and if you get it, all your work is gonna be online. You don't have to move out to go to any work or to go anywhere. So you can see this website is actually very helpful. Okay, it's actually very helpful. And this is another thing about this website: if you apply for any work or if you made any research here, depending on the work you want, and you want to be getting email on new jobs, so you want to just turn on this button right here. You can see this button right. Once you turn it on, once any new job is available, you're gonna get notified on your email. Okay, so guys, you need to try out this website, apply for jobs that you've been looking for. Okay, so let me look for a simple job. Let me see online data entry job. Okay, so let me see if it's available. Wow, you can see right here is available. We have about 1,594 vacancies. Okay, so this website is not the website that's going to be paying you for the work you're going to do. No, what this website does is they connect people who wants to hire workers and people who wants to work. So this is what the website stands for. It's just like a middleman between the two of them. So the website connects the both together. Okay, so the company you're applying for is the company that's going to be paying you. Okay, and you're going to have a fixed price before you're going to see the you're going to be making per month. You have an agreement with them before you start working. Okay, so all you just have to do is know the kind of work you want to search for it, apply, and then wait for the call. Okay, so you can see this website is actually cool. Right here you can see, okay, you can see this one here. This is data entry officer. So let me click on this and see. Okay, so this is what they are talking about, the job. You can see data entry officer responsibilities include collecting and entering data, CRM, and maintaining accurate records of valuable information. Our ideal candidate has essential data entry skill like fast typing with an eye of detail and familiarity with spreadsheets and online forms. You can see location is Lekki phase 1, that is location, but it doesn't mean that you have to be there present. So input simple and irrespective data into a form. They're just trying to tell you what you're going to be doing as an online data entry officer. Okay, so that is what that place is about. And right here you can see we are looking for a candidate who fulfills this requirement. You can see bachelor's degree or equivalent, being a computer science graduate in plus. Okay, must be more than 27 years old. Okay, so they actually have their own requirements. So if you fit in for any of these, you can just apply and you're still gonna get your job. So right here you can see the amount they are willing to pay. They're willing to pay 40 to 65,000 naira. So if you want to apply, you just click on this link and you apply for it. It's as simple as that. Okay, so guys, I would say you should try out this website. Okay, try out this website. Try out this website. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't keep saying there are no jobs in Nigeria or in your country or wherever you are. So just try out stuff online. There are thousands of ways you could be making money online without you even knowing it. Okay, so guys, if you find value in this video, I would say you should go on the comment section below and say something that's gonna keep me moving. Okay, and if you're new on my channel, I would say you should hit that subscribe button. Okay, because I'm gonna be dropping more valuable videos on this channel. Okay, turn on the notification bell, make sure you like this video, comment, and also share this video with friends. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video.